Okay, in this video we're talking about mood board, and mood board is basically, it's not a final design for anything. It's not a rough sketch. It has nothing to do with the structure of the site or the app that you're building. It's just a visual guide for a presentation that you would make with the client to get them to buy into your design system. So up at the top here, I have just a title, and this was an actual client that I was working with. And below that, I have a color palette that I came up with. Again, I probably used the color.adobe.com to get this information and just drop that in. So that would be the color. So for this, it's a dental website, and what I was thinking of is medical colors. So that's what I typed in. I'm looking for colors that are deemed medical. So this is what came up. And then for logo and variations on the branding, they already had a logo, but they wanted to improve it. So here I'm just showing some different applications of that logo when it's on white, when it's on black and white, and then when it's on a color field, and then when it's just on its own. And then below that, in another section on the left, I have suggestions for font usage. So for a brand font used for identity and headers, I'm using Brandon Grotesque. And you can see some variations: bold, regular, and light. And then for the web, using something that's similar to Brandon, and that is Open Sans, which is a Google font. And then below that, I just have an example headline and some basic boilerplate text. This just show them what the text relationships would look like. And then over on the right hand side for potential imagery, I'm showing them some imagery that could be used on the website, some stock imagery that I pulled from Adobe and from other locations, some free stock imagery that has to do with dental and medicine and smiling people. So this mood board would then be used in a presentation for the client to get them to buy into this design system. And hopefully, if they don't have much feedback in terms of the colors and the fonts and the photography, then you can move forward with a prototype